built a house with glass walls, clear as the day. Sunlight shines through, but it don't keep the rain away. They watch my every move, see my highs and my lows, but the cracks in the corners are what nobody knows. Barefoot on the floor, shards beneath my feet, tiptoe through the silence where pain and beauty meet. The echoes of my heartbeat loud against the glass, reflections of my future mixed with shadows of my past. Oh, me see them stare, them not look away. Them want me break, but me still I stay. I'm fragile yet fierce, but shine through it all, even when the shards fall. Glass walls see my soul through the cracks. They don't know the strength it takes to fight back. Me open, me vulnerable, me strong all the same. A crystal house standing firm in the rain. Oh, glass walls, still standing tall, tall, tall. Them think it's easy coming to hide my pain, but every cut, every scar make me stronger again. Me not perfect, but me no shame. I carry the wounds, them parts of the flame. The world I look in, me can't take a break, but me nah go fold, nah go let it shake. The pressure hot, but my blood run cool. Born for this fight, but nah play a fool. Oh, me see them watch, me not afraid them sight. Them don't know the fire, me light at night. From fragile to fierce, me conquer it all, even when the shots fall. Glass walls see my soul through the cracks. They don't know the strength it takes to fight back. Me open, me vulnerable, me strong all the same. A crystal house standing firm in the rain. Oh, glass walls, still standing tall, tall, tall. Through the hurricanes, me no swear, me no bend. Every storm that my face is a blessing in the end. The glass might shatter, but my spirit stay whole. Them can't break my body, but them can't touch my soul. Glass walls, and still me rise. The cracks tell a story, pain in me eyes, but me no stop shining through it all, me stay. Oh, a warrior's heart in a house that I don't break. Oh, glass walls, still standing tall, tall, tall. Glass walls, so through the ranks. They don't know the strength it takes to fight back. Me open, me vulnerable, me strong all the same. A crystal house standing firm in the rain. Oh, glass walls, still standing